Hello everyone. Welcome back to Des English. Today, we're diving into the world of prepositions, specifically focusing on prepositions of place. Do you know how to use in, on, and at to talk about location? Prepositions of place, such as in, at, and on, are essential for describing the location of objects or people in relation to other things. There are many prepositions of place in the English language, and each of them has several uses. In this lesson, we will study 3 prepositions of place. Let's get started. Our first preposition is at. We use at when pinpointing a specific point or location. Imagine meeting a friend for coffee. I'll meet you at the cafe at 3 p.m. It's a precise point in time and space. She is waiting at the bus stop. We'll be having dinner at your house. I'm at work. She's working at home today. The postman is at the door. Tom lives at 58 Oxford Street. An exact address is an address with the name of the street and also the number of the street. If we do not know the exact address, if we only know the name of the street, then we use on as the preposition. Tom lives on Oxford Street. Use it with events and occasions. I saw her at the party. We'll celebrate the anniversary at a fancy restaurant. They're at lunch. Next up is on. If something is on a surface, we use on. The book is on the table. There's a stain on your shirt. The cat is on the roof. We use on when talking about public transportation. I prefer to travel on the train. Let's go on the bus. She's on the bus now. You can't make phone calls on a plane. We also use on for lines and islands. London is on the River Thames. There's a market on Oxford Street. We use on when something is attached to another object. She is wearing a ring on her finger. We use in when we want to talk about something being inside a defined space. For example, the cat is in the box. It's a specific location within the confines of the box. I left my keys in the car. There is a fly in my soup. Use in when referring to larger, more general areas. I live in the city. There are many parks in this region. I was born in Manchester. Sue lives in London. Use in when something is part of a larger entity or group. I found my name in the list. She's the best player in the team. Use in when talking about wearing something. I feel cozy in this sweater. She looks elegant in that dress. In or at. He is in the factory. She is at the factory. This suggests that the person is inside the factory. This is a more general statement indicating that the person is at the location of the factory. It doesn't specify whether the person is inside the building or in the surrounding area. If you want to highlight the person being inside the building, you might use in. If you want to express a more general presence at the factory, at is appropriate. And there you have it, the basics of prepositions of place in, at, and on. Remember, these little words make a big difference in how we describe the world around us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language tips. Thanks for joining us today on Des English, and until next time, happy learning!